Okay, the car's making some strange noises somewhere around the engine compartment on the left, or the driver's side. See if I can make it do it. And it usually is happening when I'm engaging the clutch and I'm coming out. Let's see. Let's see if I can do it. No, that's why. There it is right there, that noise. It's much, much louder. Whoops. See if it'll do it if I rev it. Put the window down. Put it in the gear again. It's a lot noisier, and not doing it now, but before, when I would push from the underneath of the wheel well, it would stop the vibration, but it's some sort of vibration happening in here. I'll take another video of it when I start it out when it's cold.